You badass.
Yeah.
You feel it?
Yeah, her hair is already. She's like.
It sounds weird.
Yeah.
It's your shoes, fool. They're rubber. They're fake. Hey, look, they're smoking. They're sizzling. I just swing my arm out there. I didn't want to touch you because then it just go back at me.
Everyone's hair is too pretty and shiny. It just doesn't have too many nice things.
Oh, Smith.
Doesn't stand out. You want to try, Jennifer?
Come on, Jenny.
Come on.
Come on, Jenny, bitch.
She doesn't want to get shocked.
In second period, they wanted to see how long they could shock each other. So we had like one person holding on, and then everybody was holding hands. And they're like,
Let's do it. Let's do it.
the kid who had it here the longest, it ended up like making a little spot. Let's do it. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm down. I'm down.
Okay. All right. Okay.
So we're gonna make a chain. All right.
Sure.